Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your cache on your Twitter app. So there was a in-app method to delete cache in the previous version of Twitter. So whenever you would open your Twitter app, you could click on the profile and then go to settings and support and then privacy, and here when you click on accessibility and then go to data usage, and here you would see a storage section where you could delete your cache. So Twitter has now removed that option. So if you are using the latest version and you want to delete your cache, for that you need to go to your phone settings, and here you need to go to apps, and then you need to click on Twitter, and here you need to go to storage and cache, and here you will need to click on clear cache, and this will delete the cache of your Twitter app. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.